Di ba, yung pagkakaupo ng mga ninang.
Oh no, that's not a thing.
Ha?
We're not doing that.
Tingnan mo, pagkakaupo nila.
We can't have straight tables. We have to have circle tables.
Tingnan mo pagkakaupo. Ganyan ang upo doon.
You didn't have an outfit change.
Inalis ko yung palda ko. Inalis ko yung yung tail with the palda.
Wait, so what's your centerpiece? That's a little weird.
Yeah, ganyan ang
I wouldn't
pagkakaupo.
want to eat like that. Are they
Ang tawag nila dyan, presidential table.
Are they talking to people?
Yeah.
Are you talking to people if you're right next to them?
Si Lolo, kumakain pa.
Ano ka weird to? Bakit kayo sila yung nakatabi?
Ay, syempre, parents.
Yeah, but why are you not next to your parents?
Ay, ganun talaga.
Why?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung bakit eh.
Like, why were you next to them? So what kind of food did you have? American?
No? Gaga ka ba?
Was it buffet? Or plated?
Plated. Nakita mo? Dadalhin yan dyan. Lalo dyan sa presidential table.
You're not even talking